How to fix this app won't work for your device in Play Store. So if you want to fix this app won't work for your device in your Play Store, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with Google Play Store. So scroll down. Here you will have Google Play Store, tap on it. After opening your Google Play Store on your settings, you just need to simply go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go with clear storage and also clear your app data or your storage. After clearing your cache and your storage, you need to go with permissions. And under permissions, make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. As you can see that I've not allowed all of these 4 permissions. You just need to simply go with each and every permission and go with allow. Go with location, allow while using the application. Once you've allowed all of the permissions, now you need to go back and you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with profile, which is on the top right, and go with manage apps and devices. Under manage apps and devices, you need to go with see details. And here, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application and go back. And here you will have the storage option. Just simply tap on storage. And under your storage, you need to go with the drop down. And as you can see that if you have less storage, then you can select the applications that you don't use and you can uninstall the applications. And once you've uninstalled, then you'll have some storage and you'll be able to fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.